Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can sign up or create an online banking account of Santander. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing, in order to sign up into an online banking account, you must make sure that you already have a bank account. Only then you'll be able to register into an online banking account of Santander. So then open up your web browser and then on the search box type in the link that is www.santanderbank.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site. This is what the interface is going to look like, and in the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see an option as login. Just click on it. As you click on login, a drop down menu will appear. In case you already have an online banking account of Santander, then all you need to do is provide a username and password, and then you can log in into your account. And in case if you don't have an account and want to create a new account, then you need to click on first time user, enroll now. Just click on the link. So after that, you'll be directed to the enrollment page, and right over here you can see in the left hand side, you need to provide the following information in order to verify your identity. First thing, you need to select the identity type. So just tap on the arrow icon located right in the corner, and after that you have two different options in order to provide your identification. You can either provide your account number or your ATM or debit card number. So select the method that is convenient for you. And after that, on the second step, you need to provide the details of the information, and after that you need to provide your social security number. In case if you don't have a social security number, then simply tap on don't have social security number, and after that you'll have some alternative. Maybe you need to provide a tax identification number. So once you're done with this process, tap on continue in the bottom right. After that, you have on the second step verification. So in order to verify, you need to first of all provide your contact information. So that could either be your phone number or an email, and make sure to provide the email and a phone number that is associated with the Santander Bank. After that, a verification code will be sent, and then you need to enter the verification code. Once you enter the verification code, you've successfully verified your account, and after that you'll be directed to the creation page, which means that you'll be directed to the page where you need to create your login information. If all of the information are correct and valid, and after that you've successfully created an online banking account of Santander, and now you're all set. And that is how you can sign up into an online banking account of Santander. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.